There is a moment at night when everything becomes quiet around you, but inside your body, a different kind of noise begins. You lie down hoping for rest, yet suddenly the heaviness in your chest becomes more noticeable. Your throat feels tight, your breathing feels blocked, and the mucus you barely notice during the day becomes your biggest discomfort. You try to swallow it. You try to clear it. But nothing moves. You sit up, you change sides, you sip water, yet the mucus remains stubborn, almost glued inside your airway. Many people believe this happens because they are getting sick, or the weather changed, or they inhaled dust during the day. But the truth is more surprising. Nighttime mucus often has nothing to do with increased production and everything to do with what your body cannot do while you sleep. Most people don't realize this, but the body behaves very differently at night. The airflow slows, the airway becomes narrower, and the systems responsible for clearing mucus become less active. That is why so many people wake up coughing at night or struggling to breathe. But the powerful thing is this: if you give your body the right support before bed, you can help your airway stay open, help mucus stay thin, and help your lungs clear themselves naturally, without harsh medicines or coughing fits. Today, I am sharing a science-backed nighttime drink that works gently while you sleep. And it uses ingredients you might not expect. Why mucus gets worse at night? Nighttime mucus is not usually because your body produces more mucus, but because it becomes harder for your body to move it. Gravity plays a major role during the day. When you are upright, mucus drains downward, helping clear the airway naturally. But when you lie down, this drainage stops. Instead of flowing downward, mucus begins to collect in the throat, sinuses, and chest. Because the body is horizontal, mucus settles in pockets and becomes harder to clear. You may feel as if your throat is holding onto something that refuses to move, and that is exactly what is happening inside. At night, the body also produces less cortisol, the natural hormone that controls inflammation. As cortisol levels drop, the tissues inside the throat and nose swell slightly, narrowing the airway. This tightening makes mucus feel thicker and more trapped. The tiny hair-like structures in your respiratory system called cilia, which normally sweep mucus upward, also slow down during sleep. Their reduced activity means mucus stays exactly where it shouldn't. Combine these factors with the dryness that develops as you breathe for hours without hydration, and you have the perfect recipe for nighttime congestion. The goal of this remedy is to counter all of those factors at once, opening the airway, thinning the mucus, calming inflammation, and supporting natural drainage. A drink that works with your body. Rather than trying to eliminate mucus, this remedy focuses on working with your natural biology. Your body is designed to clear mucus efficiently, but it needs the right conditions to do so. When inflammation decreases, when the airway relaxes, and when mucus becomes thinner, the respiratory system wakes up and begins moving again. This drink is built on those principles. It doesn't suppress symptoms, it restores function. The herbs and warming spices used in this remedy are not random. Each one has been studied for its effect on the respiratory system. Some open the airway. Some thin mucus. Some calm irritation. And others help fight the underlying bacteria or inflammation that may be contributing to ongoing congestion. The warm temperature of the drink also plays a key role. Warm liquids hydrate and loosen mucus far more effectively than cold liquids, especially before sleep when the body is transitioning into a slower rhythm. By preparing your airway before you lie down, you make nighttime breathing easier and sleep deeper. 1. Peppermint leaves. Peppermint contains a compound called menthol, which interacts with cold receptors in the nasal passage. This creates the cooling, refreshing sensation most people associate with easier breathing. But the science goes deeper than that. Menthol does not simply make breathing feel easier, it actually relaxes the smooth muscles around the airway, allowing air to pass more freely. This relaxation effect is similar to mild bronchodilation, a process where the bronchial tubes widen to increase airflow. That is why many cough drops, chest rubs, and inhalers use menthol as a primary ingredient. Studies have shown that peppermint vapors improve nasal airflow and reduce the intensity of coughing. It also thins mucus by reducing its viscosity, making it easier to move upward and out of the respiratory tract. When consumed as a warm infusion, peppermint becomes even more effective because the warmth enhances its mucolytic properties. In simple terms, peppermint tells your airway to open, signals your mucus to loosen, and helps your throat relax so coughing becomes less frequent during the night. 2. Licorice root. Licorice root has a unique combination of properties that make it extremely effective for respiratory relief. It contains glycyrrhizin, a compound that acts as both an expectorant and a soothing agent. As an expectorant, it helps detach stubborn mucus from the bronchial walls, particularly the thicker mucus that sits deep in the chest and is difficult to cough out. This makes breathing easier and reduces the feeling of tightness in the lungs. As a demulcent, licorice forms a natural protective coating over the throat, calming irritation and reducing the urge to cough. Scientific studies have shown that licorice root decreases inflammation in the respiratory tract by modulating immune responses. This anti-inflammatory action is important because inflamed tissues narrow the airway and trap mucus inside. Licorice has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years to treat bronchitis, sore throats, post-nasal drip, and chronic coughing, and modern research supports its effectiveness. Taken before bed, licorice softens mucus, soothes the airway, and reduces nighttime coughing reflexes, creating the ideal environment for restful breathing. 3. Clove water. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful natural compound with antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. This makes clove water effective not only for breaking down mucus but also for addressing potential infections behind the congestion. Eugenol works by interfering with the bonds that make mucus thick and sticky, effectively loosening it and allowing it to drain more easily. When consumed warm, clove water increases circulation in the throat and chest, helping the body flush out congestion. Cloves also have a mild numbing effect on irritated tissues, which can provide relief from sore throat sensations or coughing fits. Scientific literature supports cloves as a natural expectorant, capable of reducing mucus buildup and soothing inflamed respiratory tissues. By including them in this drink, you provide your body with a potent tool to weaken stubborn mucus and open breathing pathways during the night. 4. Turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown in numerous studies to reduce inflammation by blocking NF-κB, a molecule that triggers inflammatory responses inside the body. When inflammation in the throat, sinuses, and airway decreases, it creates more space for air to flow and more room for mucus to move. This reduction in swelling is essential for clearing congestion. Without reducing inflammation, mucus becomes trapped and continues to cause discomfort. However, curcumin alone is not easily absorbed by the body. That is why a small pinch of black pepper is essential. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. This allows curcumin to enter the bloodstream effectively and act on inflamed tissues. The combination of turmeric and black pepper helps open airways, reduce thick mucus, and support the lungs during rest, a perfect pairing for nighttime respiratory relief. 5. Warm salt water sips. Warm salt water plays a vital scientific role in reducing mucus problems. Salt draws excess fluid out of swollen tissues through osmosis, helping shrink inflammation in the nasal passages and throat. When swelling goes down, the airway widens, making breathing easier. This is particularly helpful at night when tissues naturally swell more due to lower cortisol levels. Warm salt water also helps thin mucus, making it easier to swallow or clear without coughing. Doctors recommend saline solutions for congestion because salt reduces bacterial activity, promotes drainage, and stabilizes the moisture balance in the throat. Taking just a few sips after the main drink helps prepare the airway for sleep by reducing irritation, calming the throat, and supporting natural mucus movement. Full recipe, exact measurements. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried peppermint leaves, 1 teaspoon of licorice root or 1 licorice tea bag, 2 whole cloves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 pinch black pepper. 1 cup hot water. A second mini drink made with 1/4 teaspoon salt and half a cup warm water. Instructions. Heat 1 cup of water until it is steaming but not boiling. Add the peppermint leaves, licorice root, and cloves to the hot water and cover the mixture. Allow it to steep between 7 and 10 minutes until it becomes aromatic and slightly darker. Stir in the turmeric and black pepper until fully dissolved. Strain the drink into a mug and sip slowly while it is still warm. After you finish, take 2 or 3 gentle sips of the warm salt water mixture to help shrink throat inflammation. What happens while you sleep? Once you lie down, the ingredients begin to work together in harmony with your body's natural nighttime processes. The menthol from the peppermint gently relaxes the airway and creates a sensation of openness that lasts through the night. Licorice root begins loosening deep mucus that has been sitting in the chest, making it easier for your respiratory system to move it upward. Clove water works on breaking apart the thick, stubborn mucus that refuses to drain during the day, allowing it to shift more freely. Meanwhile, turmeric reduces inflammation along the airway, giving mucus more room to move, while black pepper enhances absorption so the effect is strong and long-lasting. The saltwater sips help shrink swollen tissues, calm irritation, and support clear airflow. As you sleep, your body continues these processes quietly. Many people wake up feeling as if their chest has been cleared, their throat is lighter, and breathing requires less effort. This is not a dramatic overnight cure, it is a gentle correction of the natural processes that were being blocked. Who should use this remedy? This remedy is highly beneficial for individuals who suffer from chronic nasal congestion, nighttime coughing, sinus drip, seasonal allergies, or mucus buildup after a cold or flu. It supports both the upper and lower respiratory systems, making it a great option for anyone who feels tightness in the chest when lying down. It is also ideal for people who wake up congested or feel mucus sitting in their throat each morning. Who should avoid or modify it? People with high blood pressure should avoid licorice root because it can increase sodium levels in the body. Individuals with acid reflux may find peppermint too relaxing for the esophageal valve, so they should remove or reduce it. Those taking blood thinners should be cautious with turmeric and consult their healthcare provider. Children under the age of 1 should not consume strong herbal remedies or salt solutions. The power of this remedy lies in how gently it supports the body. Instead of forcing mucus out, it creates the right conditions for the airway to function the way it is supposed to. By reducing inflammation, opening breathing passages, thinning mucus, and calming throat irritation, this drink helps your respiratory system work more effectively during sleep. Many people notice deeper rest, fewer coughing episodes, clearer breathing, and lighter sinuses by the next morning. Mucus is not the enemy, it is a natural protective mechanism. The problem begins when the body cannot move it properly. This drink restores that movement. With consistent use, especially during cold seasons or allergy flare-ups, it can dramatically improve nighttime comfort. If you try this remedy tonight, pay attention to how your body feels tomorrow morning. Notice how your airway responds, whether your breathing feels easier, and whether the tightness in your chest has softened. If you would like more nighttime remedies, sinus clearing formulas, or deep lung cleansing morning teas, leave a comment and I will create them for you. Your body has its own wisdom and healing rhythm. All we have to do is support it.